everyone, today I would like to present a website that I created for my client artist. The goal was to provide an opportunity for people to view her work sitting at home and order paintings that she paints herself. Let's get started. The most important file is in the folder as soon as you open it. It's called index.php. When you start the site itself, you see the page that people see for the first time visiting the site. Here with the slider, scrolling which we see either the name of the artist herself or a quote. The slider is made in colorful colors. Also here on top you see an additional tab called Paintings. By clicking on it, we can see in front of us many different paintings, their names, prices and materials that were used in the creation. Also on the bottom right, it's a by hyperlink, which will redirect us to another part of the page. Here, as you see, the fields where users are located, that is, potential buyers of paintings can enter their data. As soon as a person clicks on the send button, information will be sent directly to the artist. At the moment we can only see the message. This was accomplished with the help of Ajax. Instagram and WhatsApp icons will redirect you to the author's personal pages. Let's try to register and log in to our site. To do this, click enter, click register and automatically get to the part of the page where you can fill out information about yourself. This is the name, surname, email, password, link to the profile picture, age and city. The information was successfully sent to the database, so we can log in with an account. Congratulations, you're logged into the admin panel. Pay attention to the icon located to the left of the screen. Here jQuery was used, a hidden inscription appears. Welcome to the admin page. Now you have the opportunity to delete, update and add new data to the site. Here we see our photo and name, also surname. You can adjust the profile, hide or vice versa, show the necessary information about the person. It was also created by using jQuery. As I mentioned earlier, you have the opportunity to add a picture, that's why we can try to fill the empty fields and click Add. Let's check if the new picture is visible to the user or not. Yes, this is our newly created picture, you see. Let's go back and try to edit the price. Click on Edit and change the price. Check how you see the price has changed successfully. We also have the opportunity to remove the picture. It's as easy as showing peers. The delete button and the picture is no longer in your database list. As soon as you're done with the affairs, you need to click on the sign out button. It redirects you to the authorization page, and that's all. These were the main functions of my website. All source code and database are in the folder. Gulnaz was with you. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.